In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the DocuSign mobile app for handling all your document signing needs. Whether you're on the go or simply prefer using your phone, following these steps will make your digital transactions a breeze. To get started, you'll want to open your mobile device's App Store. If you're using an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store. For those with an Apple device, launch the Apple App Store. Once inside, look for the search bar. This is where you'll input DocuSign. You'll see a variety of results pop up, but you'll want to focus on the official DocuSign app, a reliable tool for digital document management. Go ahead and install the app by tapping the Install or Get button depending on your device. Remember, downloading the app will typically require a stable internet connection, so ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have enough mobile data available. Once you have the app installed, tap to open it. Here, you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have a DocuSign account, simply enter your credentials. If not, there should also be an option to create a new account. Follow the straightforward prompts to get set up, if that's the case. Entering the mobile app environment with your details ensures that all your actions in this app are securely linked to your authenticated account. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to explore the app's capabilities. The app's interface has been designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through it should be quite intuitive. Check out the dashboard, where you can view documents that have been sent to you for signature. These might be set contracts awaiting signatures. Alternatively, if you're looking to send a document for someone else to sign, you can upload it directly from your phone. The app supports a variety of document formats, so you should face no trouble uploading your files. If a document requires your signature, tap on the signature fields. Here, you'll get the option to sign using your finger or a stylus. This feature mimics the act of signing on paper, yet offers the convenience of not needing to print a single page. Position your signature carefully and ensure that it accurately reflects your signature as it would on physical paper for consistency. Once you're satisfied with the signatures and completed the filling out any required fields, it's time to send the document. The app will guide you through the process of reviewing and dispatching your signed document to the intended recipient. With just a tap, your document is on its way, saving you the hassle of manual signing, scanning, or faxing. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the DocuSign app, making your document handling tasks easier and more efficient. Keep practicing these steps every time you need a document signed or sent, and you'll be a DocuSign pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy signing!